OMZ Group, United Heavy Machinery Plants, is a strategic engineering research and production holding active in the heavy machine building industry. It's the main contributor to the technological progress of Russia's key economic sectors. OMZ Group offers its clients not only a broad product line, but also ready-to-use innovative solutions. Today, OMZ Group is one of the acknowledged leaders in the national heavy machine building industry. The group's plants are capable of producing a wide range of high-performance and innovative equipment. We are trusted by the leading national production and extractive industries. The group's plants have been licensed by the world's most credible licensors such as Chevron, Shell and others. Today, OMZ Group has established itself as a leader in Russia's and CIS countries' strategic economic sectors. It plays key roles on the world market in a range of areas, including manufacturing fully packaged nuclear island equipment for atomic power plants with water reactors featuring power outputs ranging from 440 up to 1400 megawatts. Production of unique large tonnage equipment for the petrochemical industry. Manufacturing large and extra large special steel products. Designing, engineering, maintaining and manufacturing electric-powered mining excavators. Full cycle of creating, manufacturing, maintaining and operating air separation equipment. OMZ is one of the recognized Russian leaders in designing and manufacturing equipment for natural gas liquefaction. OMZ Group invests considerably in the broad-scale modernization of production capacities, technology advancement, development of assembly bases and engineering competencies along with social projects. The group incorporates joint stock company Izhorskie Zavody, OMZ Special Steels Limited Liability Company, OMZ Foundry Manufacturer LLC, Iz Kartex, named after PG Korobkov LLC, scientific and production firm, Giprokislarod JSC, BGSC Cryogen Mash, JSC Ural Plant of Chemical Machine Building, Ural Metallurgical Plant LLC, Производственное объединение Ural Energomontaj JSC, Glazovsky Zavod Himash Limited, Shkoda JS AS and others. OMZ Group plants are the front runners in national heavy, energy and chemical machine building industries, engaged in designing and producing unique reactor equipment for atomic power plants, hydrocracking, hydrotreating and catalytic cracking and other units. OMZ Group encompasses world-leading manufacturers of fully operational, primarily nuclear island package units, intended for nuclear power generating facilities, storing and transporting spent nuclear fuel. They provide designing, engineering, special steels casting, creation, assembling, startup, calibrating and maintaining nuclear island equipment, oil refineries and other complex petrochemical and energy enterprises. Together, the group enterprises can offer clients any integrated solutions related to the heavy machine building industry, from design to ready-to-use construction, engineering and maintenance solutions. The foundation of OMZ Group's high quality and modern production is its special metallurgy facilities. Today, OMZ Special Steels is recognized as Russia's leading manufacturer of steel, which features all these properties: high strength, constructional, non-corrodable, radiation resistant, superalloyed, heat-proof, anti-magnetic and cryogen-proof. The range of steels made overlap 300 types. The backbone of OMZ Special Steel's productive capacities is its latest generation DSP-120 steelmaking complex. It has an output of 250,000 tons per year and can produce melts weighing from 20 to 140 tons. Modern VDVOD vacuum oxygen decarburization units enable the production of non-corrodable steel with lower carbon and alloy wastage rates than competitors. This means new markets can be tapped into, primarily foreign ones. Thorough modernization of the enterprise has seen the renovation of forging, pressing and heat treatment machinery, as well as machine tools and machining centers, allowing for high-precision treatment of large-size products weighing up to 400 tons, along with long products of up to 25 meters. Combustion turbine blanks, innovative hollow forging ingots weighing up to 87 tons, high-chrome steel steam turbine rotor blanks, backup rolls weighing more than 200 tons. Steelworkers at the Izhora plant were the first in Russia to forge a 420-ton ingot. At a new automated 12,000-ton force forging unit, it was used to produce an approximately 5-meter shell for a VVR-2 nuclear reactor vessel. This shell obviates the need for welded joints in the reactor's active zone. OMZ Foundry is Russia's leading manufacturer of castings for shipbuilding, general machinery, power plant engineering, mining, iron and steel, petrochemical and other industry sectors. The company carries out full-cycle steel casting, ranging from engineering to finished machining. The OMZ Foundry company's technological capabilities enable the production of castings weighing from 150 kilograms to 170 tons. Stem post and stern post production for research and transport ice-class ships, production of screws intended for the Russian Navy's new series of submarines, corvettes and frigates, as well as casting parts for the installation of hydroelectric power station and atomic power plant turbines came as the enterprise's landmark projects. Ural Metallurgical Plant has the most contemporary technologies for individual and low-volume forge work production. The factory produces the following products from more than 60 types of steel: drums for vacuum filters, bandages, ring gears, supporting thrust station parts for large-size rotary ovens, gearboxes, blades, screws and many other products, oftentimes unique blanks weighing from 1 to 10 tons. In 2013, as a result of the production modernization program, the plant began operating one of the most modern automated ring rolling mills in Russia. Izhorskye Zavody is one of the 10 oldest companies on the planet. The plant, which has been in business for more than 300 years, was established by direct decree of Peter the Great. There have been changes in forms of government and technological practices, but Izhorskye Zavody has consistently remained a leader and served Russia honorably. The first Russian naval guns, ship-founding armored cruisers, dredger ships, armored cars, mining excavators, nuclear reactors, and even St. Isaac's Cathedral statues of angels. All of this was created by the world-famous Izhorskye Zavody craftsmen. For more than half a century, nuclear and petrochemical reactors built by Izhorskye Zavody have been operating successfully in dozens of countries. Heavy bulk capacity vessels intended for advanced oil processing and making high-quality fuel meeting the Euro 5 standard have been produced and delivered to the Tuapse, Nizhny-Kamsk, Angarsk, Omsk, Kuibyshev, Novo-Kuibyshev, Syzran and other oil refineries. These have become landmark projects in the production of petrochemical equipment. Izhorskye Zavody has produced equipment packages with VVR 1000 and VVR 1200 reactor plants for the Kalinin, Novоворonish and Leningrad atomic power stations, as well as the Tianvan atomic power station in the People's Republic of China and the Kudankulam atomic power station in India. The equipment provides higher security and meets the most stringent international requirements. It also increases the life cycle of a power generating unit up to 60 years. Uralhimash is a leading petrochemical machine building enterprise. The plant has competencies considered unique in Russia, the CIS and Eastern European countries, producing equipment with driving pressure ranging from 30 to 250 megapascals. Uralhimash is the only plant in Russia and the CIS countries that possesses the technologies and equipment needed to produce high-pressure vessels with a rolled wall of the cylindrical part of the shell. It also boasts unique methods of explosive welding of large-size bimetal sheets of up to 15 square meters. catalytic cracking reactors, fine purification reactors, adsorbers, column equipment, reservoirs and tanks for transporting liquefied hydrocarbons by sea made by Ural machine builders are being operated in more than 40 countries on all continents. Škoda GS AS is a unique enterprise within United Heavy Machinery Plants. After 60 years in business, the company has acquired unique competencies on primarily European markets related to the engineering, maintenance and production of atomic power station equipment. Škoda GS AS has had experience of building, extension modernization and maintenance of equipment at the Pax, Temelin and Dukovany European atomic power stations, as well as constructing and maintaining the unique VR1 training nuclear reactor in the Department of Physics and Technology at the Czech Technical University in Prague. The Iskartex, named after PG Karabkov company, is the largest manufacturer and supplier of electrically powered mining excavators with bucket capacity ranging from 10 to 32 cubic meters in Russia and the CIS countries. Highly efficient, latest generation electrically powered tracked mining excavators successfully operate at almost all mineral deposits in Russia and abroad. Among strategically important projects completed by the Iskartex, named after PG Karabkov, are the delivery of 4 EKG 8P tracked mining excavators and the largest tracked mining excavator in Eastern Europe, the EKG 32P, to Kuzbass Razrez Ugel, as well as the delivery of 4 machines to the Danban open cast coal mine in India. The truth will always find its way to life. But it is the people, and not the truth, who make this process quick. Pyotr Kapitsa, member of the Academy of Science of the USSR, Nobel Prize laureate in physics. Since its launch in 1949 by Nobel Prize winner Pyotr Kapitsa, the Moscow region-based Cryogen Mash plant has designed, manufactured and supplied the following: over 600 large-capacity AFU cryogen air fractioning units, including single-site ones, built for the metallurgical, chemical, petroleum and gas and other sectors of Russian industry, and industries of CIS and non-CIS countries. Over 2,000 cryogen product filling, storage, transportation and production systems, including those intended for rocket and space test centers, and 1/3 of the world's cosmodromes in Plesetsk, Baikonur, Vostochny in Russia, in Kazakhstan, South Korea and French Guiana sea launch. Tens of unique cryogen units, systems and specific types of equipment for research centers in Russia and foreign countries. Over 10 large-scale helium industrial facilities. Over 300 non-cryogen membranous gas separation units for producing controlled gas atmospheres. Almost 80% of the annual output of all Russia's technical gauges is produced at air separation units built by Cryogen Mash. In China, natural gas liquefaction units manufactured by the Moscow region-based machine building plant have a 30% share of its market. The opening of a new multi-product facility at Cryogen Mash, intended for producing cryogenic and LNG equipment, was the most significant impulse for the company's advanced, innovative developments. The integrated model of digital production that was successfully implemented at the Cryogen Mash plant facilitates unique high-quality products and solutions in the shortest possible time and at the value of a production line item. Tens of thousands of unique parts have been collected into a single production base, which simplifies the process of elaborating technological solutions to the fullest degree. The launch of a multi-product manufacturing center in the city of Balashikha in the Moscow region has marked OMZ Group's transition to a new engineering and manufacturing model. The transition to an identical model for Iskartex excavator manufacturing is now being finalized, and in the near future, similar reorganization will be carried out at the rest of the OMZ Group facilities. Transition from single machine delivery to on-site manufacturing of integrated facilities to provide the largest Russian enterprises with technical gases is the company's new strategy. Such projects have already been successfully carried out at Ural Steel, the Seversky pipe plant and Pervo-Uralsk new pipe plant. At the final stage are on-site projects for the Taganrog Metallurgical Works and enterprises at the Izhora plant's industrial zone and the Tomsk petrochemical plant, Tomsk Neftekhim. New facilities for Tula Kermetstal and Uralchim are now being built. Kriagenmash guarantees leading positions for OMZ Group on the Russian market and a considerable part of the world market in air fractioning equipment manufacturing, providing manufacturing plants with technical gases and working out comprehensive solutions for associated and natural gas operations, as well as LNG operations. Today, OMZ Group is not only engaged in the production and delivery of unique equipment for the nuclear and petrochemical industries, cryogenic equipment and the mining industry. The 21st century for mechanical engineering is a time for all-inclusive solutions for the heavy machine industry. OMZ offers its clients integrated, ready-to-use solutions. One such OMZ Group project was the construction and startup of a pre-transport gas treatment unit for the Krasnodar compressor station in record-breaking time. It only took 15 months. The pre-transport gas treatment unit for the Krasnodar compressor station was one of Gazprom's strategic investment projects as part of the Olympics program to build an energetically sustainable infrastructure in the southern part of the Krasnodar region. Almost all the plants of the group participated in the production of the equipment for the compressor plant. The following was deployed and installed: 32 large vessels of high and low pressure, 28 armament blocks and around 1,600 elements of locking armaments. Total length of cable production is 350 kilometers. The length of the pipeline system is 25 kilometers. Altogether, 900 tons of steelwork was installed. Our legacy is 20 years of persistent work for the benefit of Russia's manufacturing and power industries. For the future, OMZ Group is planning to make innovative products, to enter new markets, and to introduce effective solutions for the revival of Russia's heavy machine building industry. United Heavy Machinery Plants. Technology that is trusted.